What is up, everybody? How's it going? How's it going? So, ooh, burg in my eye. So, as I'm filming this right now, I'm sitting at 932 subscribers. Die, mosquito. Ha! 1 kill. And the wonderful people over at Superclean, which you can buy at all of these major retailers, which none of which I am associated with. Go buy some if you want. The wonderful people over at Superclean have given me a giveaway to give to you, which is always super nice because this is my absolute favorite stuff. The foaming spray. I don't know what you want to call it. Foaming aerosol, easy spray aerosol can. Super nice stuff. I think I've got some videos of cleaning my floor mats with it, and this is the original, just, you know, spray it down, clean stuff solution, whatever you want to call it. Both of it works absolutely incredible. But in the comments below, well, let's make this simple. Let's make this simple. You have to subscribe, you have to comment on this video, and go check out their social links. I will leave them in the description below, their Instagram, YouTube, whatever they have. I will find it, and I will post it down there. Go down there, subscribe, comment, like, share, do all those fun things, and you yourself could win a selection, well, not a selection, but you'll win 1 bottle of each of these, 1 bottle of this, and 1 can of this. And again, this is my absolute favorite stuff. Somewhere in here, maybe over here, whatever. I will put the little video of it working. Spray it on, wash it away, works out great. And I mean, I just wanted to do this for, what am I, 932. So this will be for 950. That's 18 subscribers, so throw as many as you want, because if I go above that in the time that this is up, you still have a chance, obviously. And you can be a new subscriber or an old subscriber, doesn't matter. Just you have to comment down below and you have to be subscribed at the end of this. And you can win one of these amazing products from a very cool company. I like working with them. They're cool. They send me some nice stuff. And, you know, hey, companies that send me things, I'm going to tell you guys, to be honest, well, how do I say this? To be honest, anything that I get, I'm going to be honest with you, the person watching this. If the thing is bad, I'm going to tell you it's bad. If it's good, I'm going to tell you it's good. I'm not going to lie to you just to say, hey, go buy this because blah, blah, blah. No. Super good stuff. Super good stuff. Super cool company sending me stuff to send to you guys. Well, not really me sending it to you, but sending me stuff and also giving you guys a chance to win some things. So go down, comment below, subscribe if you're not already. Do all the fun things. Go to their socials. Instagram, YouTube, whatever I can find. Again, I will link in the description, and win yourself some pretty cool things. These things right here. And if not, go there, buy some, because it works really well. I'm not gonna lie to you about it. But that's it. Enjoy. We got 18 subs, so one of you, well, either one of those 18 or the other 932 of you have a chance to win some free cleaning things. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.